Welcome back. 10th branch of Old Goa Cooperative Bank was inaugurated in Taligaon. MLA Jennifer Monserrat inaugurated the bank in presence of Chairman and Kumbarjua MLA Pandurang Madkekar. The bank officials are sure to provide assistance to the locals of Taligaon.
ही ब्रांच हांगा ओपन केल्यानंतर या वाठारांतल्या सगळ्या लोकांक बँकेची सेवा उपलब्ध जातली आणि आमचो स्टाफाचो आणि आमच्या डायरेक्टरांचो सगळ्यांचो प्रयत्न आसतलो की ही ब्रांच हांगा स्टाफ आणि हे सगळे आमचे संचालक मंडळ या गांवच्या आणि या वाठारांतल्या लोकांक बरी सर्विस दितले.
I would like to congratulate Mr. Madkekar, the founder member, the other members present here, all the staff of the bank, and wish them all the very best. And I would like to tell them that they have our cooperation from the Sarpanch and from me in whatever way we can help you all. Please do not hesitate. You all can always approach us for any assistance.
Sarvodaya Royals are one of the main teams in Goa Cricket Association's Goa Professional League since GPL's inception in 2010. However, the Sangye-based outfit has failed to win the title, having made it to the finals on 2 occasions so far. This year marks the golden jubilee of their parent club, Sarvodaya Sports Club. And with Ozone Group being the lead sponsor for the Royals, Sarvodaya can put icing on the cake by winning the 2020 title in this milestone year.
We are trying to get good players this time. Like last 5 years, we are participating in this tournament, and this is the 6th edition we are playing now. So basically, we are looking for a good outstation player because we have got a good team, the house team, what we have got from the GPL auction. So to combine both together, and we'll try to win this tournament. So that is the main thing what we are looking for now.
They are going by their past track record. They have been runners-up for a couple of times in this event, and being this their 50th year, so I was this excited me to support the team, and after going through his enthusiasm, looking at his enthusiasm, I have taken a decision to support the team, Sarvodaya Royals. So let's hope that we'll repeat the performance this year also.
For Ozone Group to associate with Sarvodaya Royals, what sort of character are you looking in this team?
Basically, Ozone Group as our corporate social responsibility, and we also promote a lot of sporting activities. We ourselves have a football academy in Bangalore, which is promoted by our group, where we promote people from socially deprived families and their kids to train in our football academy. We have also had a trainer for them from Netherlands. So and we are promoting. We are also lead sponsor for Chennai FC. So we thought that this is a good opportunity for us in Goa, being a regional office at Goa, that to associate with Ritesh and Rohan to promote cricket league. That is because of our love for sports and our chairman's affection towards the sports activities.
Right. So overall, do we have a winning combination here in Sarvodaya Royals?
Yeah, of course. So of course, we are really very positive, and if you look at the team, they have really performed well in the past. And we are looking forward to a big cheer this time.
We have a good support like Vilas Desai, treasurer, Sarvodaya Sporting Club, and this is our franchise Sarvodaya Royals. So both together combined, we are planning to win this tournament this time. We also have a good coach this time. Ex-Ranji Trophy cricketer Shailendra Singh Singhar, who played for us a couple of years back. So he'll be with the team to mentor them. He's a main mentor of the team. So, and with the help of Ritesh Ranga, that I'm very much grateful to him that he supported me, and we are really looking forward to work together as a franchisee owners, and we'll do our best in this tournament.
The Goa Professional League 2020 Championship will kick off on Saturday evening with a 2-hour opening ceremony at GCS Academy ground in Porvorim. Top national cricketers including Piyush Chawla, Manoj Tiwari and Ashok Dinda will be involved in the franchise-based T20 tournament. Prudent will telecast the tournament live from Porvorim, beginning from the opening ceremony at 6:30 in the evening on Saturday.
I am very happy to announce the inaugural ceremony tomorrow, followed by 11 days of extravaganza of GPL's 2015. Chief guest will be the Chief Minister has consented to be the chief guest. The Kakulo has given Rahul Sharma, who have represented India, Piyush Chawla, who has represented India, Rishi Dhawan, who plays for Mumbai Indians and Kings 11 in IPL. Sarvodaya Royals is India's bowler. Ashok Dinda is there, plus Manoj Tiwari. Top players are coming here, and I think will be a big feast of for T20s in Goa.
And this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.